Welcome back to HowCar USA. Today, we're looking at one of the wildest Cadillac concepts ever imagined, the 2027 Cadillac CT9-V Blackwing. Cadillac has always represented American luxury, but this machine takes that idea to an entirely different level. Imagine a massive luxury performance car transformed into an exotic hypercar, combining brutal power, futuristic technology, and handcrafted luxury into one unforgettable machine. The exterior immediately tells you that this is not an ordinary Cadillac. The CT9-V Blackwing is imagined with a dramatic fastback silhouette, an extremely wide stance, sharp aerodynamic bodywork, and an aggressive front fascia dominated by Cadillac's signature vertical lighting. Massive air intakes help feed cooling air toward the powertrain, while active aerodynamic elements could automatically adjust at high speeds. The rear design looks equally aggressive, featuring slim LED lighting, a sculpted diffuser, quad exhaust outlets, and a performance-focused aerodynamic package. Large lightweight wheels and high-performance tires complete the hypercar-inspired appearance. But the biggest story is under the hood. This concept is imagined with a hand-built 6.6-liter quad-turbocharged V12 engine, producing more than 1,200 horsepower. If such specifications ever became reality, the CT9-V Blackwing would enter an elite category of extreme performance machines. Power could be sent through an advanced all-wheel drive system and an ultra-fast performance transmission. With intelligent torque management and sophisticated launch technology, this Cadillac could potentially deliver breathtaking acceleration. The concept is also imagined with a top speed exceeding 230 miles per hour, putting it directly into territory normally dominated by the world's most expensive European hypercars. And then we arrive at the interior. Open the doors and the CT9-V Blackwing transforms from an aggressive performance machine into a private luxury lounge. The cabin could feature premium handcrafted leather, carbon fiber elements, metallic accents, soft ambient lighting, and advanced comfort technology. At the center of the cockpit is a massive wall-to-wall panoramic OLED display, creating a futuristic digital environment for the driver and passengers. Navigation, vehicle information, performance data, entertainment, climate controls, and connectivity could all be integrated into this sophisticated interface. The driver could also receive real-time information about power delivery, tire temperature, braking performance, aerodynamic settings, and other critical vehicle systems. Of course, extreme performance requires serious engineering. The CT9-V Blackwing concept could feature adaptive suspension, carbon ceramic brakes, advanced stability control, active aerodynamics, high-performance cooling, and electronically controlled torque distribution. Now comes the most shocking part, the price. This imagined Cadillac is estimated at around $2.85 million, placing it firmly in ultra-exclusive hypercar territory. At that level, buyers could also consider machines from Bugatti, Ferrari, Lamborghini, Pagani, and other legendary manufacturers. However, there is one important thing to remember: the 2027 Cadillac CT9-V Blackwing described here is a concept/speculative vehicle. Cadillac has not officially confirmed this exact model, engine, horsepower figure, top speed, or $2.85 million price. These specifications should be viewed as creative automotive predictions rather than confirmed production information. Still, the idea is fascinating. A 1,200-plus horsepower American V12 Cadillac would represent an enormous statement to the entire automotive industry. It would combine American presence with hypercar-level engineering and first-class luxury. So now we want to hear from you. Would you spend $2.85 million on this imagined Cadillac CT9-V Blackwing, or would you choose a European hypercar instead? Tell us your choice in the comments. And if you enjoyed this futuristic Cadillac, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more luxury cars, supercars, muscle cars, concept vehicles, and future automotive legends. This is HowCar USA, where the cars of tomorrow come to life.